Welcome to Sandra's Homespun Life, where I make all things yummy. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Recently my son purchased a Pizzazz pizza maker and I've been having fun playing around with it myself. Now the Pizzazz pizza maker, it's great for fixing like your frozen pizzas, maybe like your Tostino's pizza rolls, and it's not exclusive to pizza. Any little frozen snack item will work pretty good on the Pizzazz pizza maker, and you know, other little snacks like that. So today I was getting ready to fix my low carb tortilla pizza on here, and I've been making these since he's bought this, and it's just so handy and quick. So I thought, why not just go ahead and turn on the cameras and bring you along and show you how I make them. Now this Pizzazz pizza maker is fairly easy to operate. It's made by Presto, and up here at the top you have a turn dial, and this has your minutes for how long you want to allow your pizza maker to run. And down here we have another button, and this operates your burners. This Pizzazz Pizza Plus, it has a top burner here, and underneath the pizza pan is a lower burner. And this button will allow you to use only the lower burner or only the upper burner, or you can set it on dual and use both top and bottom burners together. And I currently have mine set on dual. So I'm going to go ahead and throw together my little tortilla pizza and throw it on this Pizzazz pizza maker and show you how quick and easy it is to make. So for mine, I like to use the low carb variety of flour tortillas. Mission is a good brand. They have other good brands as well, but I look for the low carb versions. So I'm just going to place a piece of aluminum foil right there to lay my tortilla on. And it's very simple from there. Just add your pizza sauce, your cheese, and your pepperoni. You can change up this recipe. It doesn't have to be just like a pepperoni pizza style. You could probably fix, like one day I made a barbecue chicken pizza. It was real simple and quick to make, so you can use your imagination and change it up however you want to fix your little pizza. And like I said, the Pizzazz is just open to your own imagination what you can make on it. There's my sauce. Now I'm going to sprinkle on my mozzarella cheese. Now I know this is no fancy recipe, but it gives me a chance to show off this Pizzazz pizza maker. I do like to play around with it. There's my mozzarella cheese, and now I'm just going to add my pepperonis. Now my tortilla pizza is ready to go on the pizza pan. So first I'm going to plug up the Pizzazz pizza maker. And right off the get-go, the pan will start rotating, but neither one of the heating elements is currently heating up. So I have my dial set to dual already because I want to use both the bottom burner and the top burner. And usually I don't even set the timer to specific minutes. I just rotate it around to say like where it says 16, and then I just watch my tortilla pizza until it gets to the doneness or the brownness that I'd like it. So next I'm just going to fold the edges of my aluminum foil down a little bit around this pizza, just so that it doesn't get in the way. And I'm going to place that straight on my Pizzazz pizza maker. Now from there, I'm just going to allow this to go until all that cheese gets nice and melted and gets bubbly on top, and then it's ready to eat from there. So I'll bring y'all back once it's done. Okay guys, I'm back and my pizza is done. So I'm going to use my tongs and just remove this pizza from the pan to the cutting board. Okay, I've got my camera down there so we can get that nice money shot of that tortilla pizza. So I'm just going to take my pizza cutter and cut it into little individual slices. And there we have it. Our tortilla pizza made on the Presto Pizzazz pizza maker. Might as well take a bite of this while I have it here. It's good and hot. Sorry for being sloppy, guys. So good. It took probably maybe 10 minutes, maybe a little less. So simple and quick and easy for a quick lunch. That was hot. Sorry for my bad manners, you all. Now, I like to make this into a full meal sometimes by adding a little side salad to go along neat with it. I also like to sometimes just get me some raw vegetables, and I like that Marzetti ranch flavored veggie dip. I love to eat that alongside this. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. It's nothing fancy, just showing off this Pizzazz pizza maker. But you know, I love to watch different kitchen gadgets and stuff, so I thought, well, maybe you would too. So until next time, guys, bye.